guys, welcome back. So Father's Day is around the corner and I was thinking, what can we do? They're always a bit tough. So I mine's in heaven. So I'm thinking, what can I do for my husband? So I thought of a something for the desk. Maybe you've got a father who's got a den or needs a lamp. And I've got this vase. Now, I got it on Wayfair a while back. It's actually a plant. Let me put it in. It's a glass. It goes this way. And it's complete glass. And I really liked it for a plant. But I want to make a unique lamp. So if maybe you'll get inspired to get a vase and do this, square vase if you find one, or get the same one on Wayfair. I'll put the link that you can see it. And it's going to be unique. It's going to be very unique. I can't wait to show you. What you're going to need is push lights with the remote. I don't think they're going to want to turn it on all the time with their hands. And you're going to need, these are those, backsplash ceramic borders. I had some left over from a project, but you can find these on Amazon. This one is silver. Now you can go with a different color if you prefer. And I'm going to go with black. I'm going to use chalk paint black. And depending on the depth of the color comes out, I'm going to do it like cement style. So you're also going to need baking soda. And the ratio is 1 to 1/4 baking soda. So whatever you're using, I always use my little mason jars, the little small ones, and just make it, very textured. You don't want it too dry. You don't want it too wet. So 1/4, not even a half of the portion that you're using. If you were doing acrylic, you could probably go to a half. Chalk is a little bit more drier, so I think 1/4 should be fine. And then that's about it. And then I'm going to, you'll see, I'm going to section this off. So can't wait to show you. I think it's going to turn out good. I hope so. So let me know in the comments if you like it. So stay tuned. I'll be right back.